Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Now select Connection Preferences and click on Printing. Finally, you can click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use a different service, tap on this switcher at the top, go back, select Add Service and download the best one for you. In my case, HP1. Following that, wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!